An increasing amount of data is accessible on the internet, where it is exposed to online attacks. Online hacking has evolved into a profitable new cottage industry, one that includes ransomware, mining programs, and data breaches. Server security threats are common and worrisome. Huawei Cloud can protect your servers with Host Security Service, HSS. HSS uses AI, machine learning, UEBA, and other intelligent technologies to quantify and analyze threats, helping you minimize risks, block attacks, detect intrusions, and investigate and respond to security incidents. 1. Risk prevention. With a security baseline developed from industry standards and Huawei's IT best practices, and taking advantage of industry-leading vulnerability management technologies, HSS can proactively detect weak passwords, unsafe settings, and vulnerabilities in your servers. You can fix vulnerabilities and verify the fix in a few clicks. 2. Online defense. HSS scans your servers and takes actions based on the block lists and trust lists configured for IP addresses and applications, and it monitors file integrity to make sure your network, applications, and files are safe, secure, and trustworthy. To ensure the trustworthiness of your network, HSS detects and blocks brute force attacks by taking advantage of fast and slow brute force cracking detection algorithms and by analyzing network intelligence, while two-factor authentication enhances your login security. To keep applications and files trustworthy, a machine learning engine collects and clusters the information and behaviors of normal processes to learn what processes can be trusted. It then identifies and prevents unauthorized processes from tampering with your files. 3. Intrusion detection. AI and machine learning are used to analyze program characteristics and behaviors. 13 types of intrusions can be detected, including malicious programs, web shells or reverse shells, and privilege escalations. HSS scans all possible attack vectors, detecting and analyzing and warning you of potential threats. 4. Investigation and response. The Big Data Analytics platform can complete a scan within seconds based on multidimensional threat intelligence, and it allows you to handle detected issues in one click, quickly reducing server risks. HSS includes a security operations platform, where you can configure and enable security policies and check statistics related to your online assets, risks, and detected attacks. HSS helps you identify true risks and reduce false positives. Huawei runtime application self-protection technologies can detect and block web page tampering within milliseconds. HSS can lock file directories, roll back unauthorized changes, and restore files using remote backups, preventing anyone or anything from tampering with your service data. Choose HSS and enjoy a secure, reliable server environment on Huawei Cloud.